Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are feeling spendacious. Today I'm making some honey chicken, and first I'm going to, I have some deboned chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, and I'm just cutting them into cubes just as you are seeing here. So go and get your cut on. Of course, wash the chicken first and then rinse it off after you cut it up, right? And that's it. So here are the ingredients that I will be using to season this chicken, and we're going to put it in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour, just in case I forget to tell you that. So here I am adding 1.5 tablespoon ginger juice, 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoon low sodium soy sauce, or you can use regular soy sauce, just don't add any salt, right? And 1/2 tablespoon sesame oil. And then we are going to use 3 tablespoons corn flour. So you could actually mix up everything and then add the corn flour, right? But I just wanted to add everything. So and last but not least, I added 1/2 tablespoon black pepper. So now we're gonna go in and mix it up, and I mix and I mix and I mix and I mix. Me say mix, 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 and I mix and I mix, because we have to combine everything, and this is smelling so smellilicious, so good. And here it is, all done. So here I'm adding some oil to my pot. I am preheating this oil, and it's a good amount of oil. Just add. We're gonna be slightly deep fat frying. So here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using. Take them in, and here I'm just going to use some corn flour. And so maybe start with like a cup of corn flour, right? And we're going to coat the chicken with the corn flour. So you want to ensure that each piece is completely covered in corn flour. Completely. So corn flour, cornstarch, depending on where you are, right? But it's the same thing, right? So go ahead and coat each piece of chicken, and then set it one side, and then coat the rest. And then you're going to, after you finish coating everything, put it down so it can set for like 15 minutes. So don't just coat it and fry it, or even if, because the pieces that you do first, those would be set already. So even if you leave it for 10 minutes, but just make sure that it look like that. You see how the chicken look? Right. So yeah, Vibes fam. So you want to add the chicken to the hot pot, and yeah, add them. Or should I say hot oil. So yeah, when they are brown, then on the side that you put them in, then you flip them over, right? The fire must be high, but not too high. Let's say a medium, right? Just listen to how you hear my pot bubbling up. So after this clip where I'm talking, the next one is gonna be bubbling up. So just listen. So that's the bubblation that you want, because you need them to soak. But guess what? Because they are small pieces of chicken, bits and bobs and little pieces, them fry very fast. So you don't need to have them there for too long, right? When them brown, flip them over, and then, yeah, you take them out and just set them aside, right? But yeah, look at them. They look so good. And of course, I tasted a piece, and it was so good. It was so good, because who cook and don't taste them food? You are joking. I eat while I cook. I sure do, as long as it's something that I can eat. Like this, of course, I had about 2 pieces. So yeah, here I'm just frying the rest of my chicken, and then that's it, right? So beautiful. Take them out. take it out, take them out, ooh, take them out. And that is it all done. Look at beautification. Look at beautiful pieces of chicken, nice and golden brown. So now we're gonna make that delicious sauce. So I added about a tablespoon of oil, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, right? Smelling so good. And now I'm adding some minced garlic, so about 5 cloves of garlic chopped fine, right? Chop them up very fine, and you want to just fry those up. So once you start smell it, then you add 1/4 cup of water, not necessarily hot water. Mine wasn't hot. And yes, stir that in, get that all together, and then we're gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of ketchup and 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Now, what you want to do when you combine everything and you give it a mix and a stir and everything comes together, then let it boil first. Let it come to a bubble, right? Let it bubble, and then you taste it. So you just want to know if it is right for you. That's why I say 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey, because this is honey chicken, bubble, 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 cool bubbles, and a bubble. So like right here, taste it, right? So let it bubble until it gets thick, or until you see it can stick to your spoon like that. There you know that's you. And you add the chicken. Hey, Mr. Chicken, I'm coating you. I'm coating you with this nice sauce. Hey, Mr. Chicken, I'm coating you. So yeah, add the chicken and coat up the chicken. Vibe some. I'm tell you, so this nice, like nice little sauce. Like listen, I like to get takeaway every now and again, but Vibe Sam, trust me, like these little things I like to make so I can feel like I'm getting takeaway. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this beautiful, luscious, nice, glamourlicious, glamorization, step to the front of the video light, good looking body chicken. Yes, look pan you. We know you bathe and you have on your cocoa butter. You bathe with your Irish Spring soap. You look so good. So yeah, Vibes, I mean, so good. You have it with your white rice because, or if you want to do some fried rice, but it is so good. Perfect with white rice or whatever you want to have it with, because right, each of us, we like different stuff. So that's fine. But yeah, Vibes Fam, let me know if you try this recipe. Let me know, and go and follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching as usual and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to click the like button. It's free, you know. Click the button and subscribe to, please. Thank you. God bless you. And thanks for watching.